Klaus Schwab, we need to talk about the fact that he says you will own nothing and be happy. Now, I understand Klaus Schwab is stepping down right now and he's got a replacement. But here's the deal. The deal is what happens when you own nothing and you're happy, and how will this happen? Well, here's the deal. Klaus Schwab is not going to force you into owning nothing and being happy. It's going to be a personal choice. It's going to be a choice because what's going to happen is all these other asset classes are going to go down, while cryptocurrency and other asset classes are going up that are digital. And because of that, people are going to see the value in it. They're going to see that there's all this money to be made into cryptocurrency. So they're going to take real world assets and they're going to transfer them over to digital assets. Therefore, you will own nothing and you'll be happy. And the reason you'll be happy is because you'll have this so-called plentiful amount of money, of digits, digital in the bank. But yet it will all be controlled, tracked, and traced. Every single thing, every real world asset, everything from real estate to ketchup bottles of ketchup that you use, and every product that you use will be carbon credited and carbon labeled as a real world asset on the blockchain. Eventually, taxing you or costing you carbon credits for what you use. So, with this all in mind, I want you guys to be thinking about, look at digital currency as a strategy to build wealth and a platform. But realize you need physical hard assets as well. Use the digital currency form as a platform to launch yourself, springboard yourself, your portfolio further up, but then use that money on the increase to actually acquire hard assets. I want you guys to realize what the double play is. Cryptocurrency is an amazing, amazing thing. It's an opportunity of a lifetime, but it has downfalls, just like everything. And so you need to navigate these waters very carefully coming up into the future. So that is my take on Klaus Schwab and the World Economic Forum and you'll own nothing and be happy. And this is what it looks like translating real physical assets into digital currencies. So if you like this content, like, share, and subscribe. I'm Justin with Wealth Building Strategies. We are front running the banks in blockchain technology. We build wealth through studying the elite people. This is what I do. This is what I've done for the last 7 years. This is giving me the opportunity that most people have never dreamed of. So I want you to realize in this midst, in this moment in 2025, you need to be positioning yourself for such a moment that when this thing catapults, you are one of the ones that are on the top, not the bottom. There's a separation coming between the poor and the rich, and it's going to be so exponential that everyone will know it. And there's a reason for that. They want to create that gap, the bigger gap, the gap between the rich and the poor. So pay attention to not what they say, but what they're doing. And in this case, we are paying attention to what they're saying, but it does hold weight in the actions of what the World Economic Forum actually wants to accomplish here. You have to look at all the people and the organizations that are involved in their websites. Lots of big players, all the big banks, all the big companies are involved with the World Economic Forum. It's very important to note what is actually taking place around us in 2025. Things are somewhat of an illusion right now, and I want you guys to realize that. So, thank you for stopping in. Thank you for joining my channel. I really appreciate it. Smash that bell notification so you get updates the moment that I release them. That way you're aware of what's going on in the markets. I'm working on a whole back end right now. I'm not going to talk too much about it. It's something I've been working on for the last 3 weeks. This is the reason I have not made a lot of videos. I'm really trying to get something that is going to be super beneficial for you guys in 2025. Something that I can give to you to where it is going to benefit you in this season, because I want you guys to be prepared as 2025 moves forward. So be looking, because I am working in the midst right now in the background, trying to get you guys information compiled, and it takes time, right? I have to actually put it all together, put it in a deliverable format that you guys can understand, newbies and intermediate and so on, all the way to advanced. So I'm working on that right now in the mix. I've got a lot of things going on with the channel. I'm really super excited about it. So thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for checking in with me faithfully every week. I appreciate it. Please comment down below. It kicks the algorithm off. It really helps me. It helps my channel. I love you guys, and I'm really looking forward to this season. It is going to be absolutely incredible. Watch the ups, watch the downs. We're going to have a lot of volatility. I want you guys to just chill in the back of the boat, realizing that this situation is under control. You know where we're going. This is a long-term game, a long-term play. Don't let short-term volatility shake you out. Take care. I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your week.